Hello you guys, welcome back. I almost knocked over my lamp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Audrey. I make videos here on YouTube as well as TikTok and Instagram, so if you want to hit the subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. My air conditioning is not working, so don't really know what to do about that. Contacted somebody, nobody's gotten back to me. Also, this is a vase, just so you know. So today I'm just gonna take you guys through my day. I'm so hot, I can't believe it's not working. Basically, I do nothing. No, I don't do nothing, but if you guys don't know, I make content. That's like my job, but my my life goal is to be an actor. That's what I studied in school and studied to become, so I submit auditions all the time. But today, basically what I'm gonna be doing is unpacking more stuff because I just moved in, so things are not completely unpacked yet. Plenty of things to still do here. Won't have furniture until August, so that's one thing. But I'm just gonna like listen to music and unpack and like organize stuff because I got these like fridge organizers that I don't have any groceries, so I'm like, why would I use the fridge organizers if I could just use them to organize products in my cabinet? So that's what I'm doing. So we're gonna organize and unpack and do what we can. So yeah. Okay, so the handyman came and it turns out that my air conditioning unit was frozen. Why? I don't know. So they had to legitimately, he went downstairs and just got a new air conditioning unit and put it in. Now there's like a little bit of dust and stuff around, and I got this robo vacuum. So should we like set it up? But like I don't know if I should wait until I have all my furniture here because I know it like has to map out the space, so I don't know if you can reset it or not. I don't know why you wouldn't be able to, but it's from the brand UFi. This is the RoboVac G20. It's by Anchor. It's optimized for pet owners, but I don't have a pet. And I will link this down below. So yeah, let's try to... I closed my thumb in the door. Let's try to open this and set it up. It smells like something's burning. Not sure what it is. I think that this is the charger, like the charging port that it locks into. Because this is to clean it. I don't know what these are. And what's this? Air dry the filter after washing. Oh. I thought it says switch on before use. Like, really? Wouldn't have thought to. That was the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Anyway. Charging. Look at it. Wow. You know how I said it smelled like something was burning? It was my oven. That thing is, it turns right on if you just touch it. What should I name it? Robo Queen or Robo Slay? Robo Queen. My mirror was delivered. Okay, so I'm almost positive that we're gonna put it on this wall. So I should probably move it over there. Might be a little difficult though. Oh guys, by the way, this mirror is from Urban and I will link it down below. Hard. Moving the actual mirror itself is harder than moving the box with the mirror in it. I don't know what to do with this big ass box. Big box, 10. Audrey, 0. Ugh, I'm so mad that I don't have like a vacuum right now. I only have the robo vac because there's so much styrofoam. Period. I love this. What a beautiful mirror. We might have to make Miss Robo vac stop charging and just put her to work because the styrofoam is really getting to me. I need to move it over a little bit. I think that looks good. Yeah. Yay, so cute. Really big mirror, how nice. Okay, perfect. And then behind me here will be the couch. I think that's gonna be so cute. Do we think it makes the space bigger or smaller? I think bigger, but you know. Let's try to bring this box to the room, and if we can't, then oh well. Didn't even realize that my camera was still on.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I ordered Chipotle and I just ate it. Now I think I might take a nap. Guys, I feel like I've done nothing today. If you have anxiety or take medication, you probably know what that realization was. I haven't taken my pills today. That's what I realized. I'm like, I feel sad, I feel like lethargic, I feel like I didn't do anything today. I want to cry because I didn't do anything. It's because I didn't take my pills. That's okay, that's okay. I will do that now. Can't believe I forgot. I can't believe it actually. Yeah, not that surprised. All right, let's take my pills and maybe look at stuff for my self-tape that I'm gonna film tomorrow. So we're gonna try to use the robo vac. So I'm on the app. So if I press clean, is it gonna come out? Start cleaning. No way. No way. Oh my God, I'm so excited about it. Whoa, wow. Wow. Oh, I don't really like short ribs. Okay, hey you guys, Trader Joe's haul time. So we'll start with the refrigerated stuff. So I got pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds because I'm the biggest fan of pomegranate seeds ever, like obsessed with them. Then blueberries. Also, this was all only $136. Like, I would buy like Jack at Publix and it would be like $190.
Yeah, Publix would rack it in.
I don't know how though. I don't know. Carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower duet. You know what I forgot to get? Buffalo sauce, but I don't know if they really had buffalo sauce there. Okay, then we have non-dairy oat creamer, brown sugar. That sounds really good. Pineapple, I think I also grabbed cantaloupe. Green beans, because we know I love my green beans. Mandarin orange, sparkling water. Then I also got these Trader Joe's seltzers with a splash. Seltzer water flavored with blood orange and orange juice. And they're like 15 calories and have They don't have any sugar. So it's just, it has a little bit of juice in it infused with the seltzer water. So I thought those would be good. And then there's these ones that are seltzers with a splash flavored with cranberry and lime juice. And those ones are only 5 calories. Cantaloupe, which actually looks like really great cantaloupe. I love cantaloupe. Do you like cantaloupe?
Yeah.
Cool. Cauliflower gnocchi. I've heard that that's amazing. Then we got the chicken gyoza pot stickers. Then we got sweet potato gnocchi, which I think will be amazing because I love sweet potatoes. Then I got this big cheese and tomato pizza, shrimp seafood burgers, smoked salmon, but why does it look frozen?
I know something you picked up. I was kind of hesitant, but I didn't want to.
Yeah, I don't know. A little weird.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
And then we got penne arrabbiata, and that all fit in my big Play bag. Thanks, Play. They didn't send it to me. I bought a dress. Next, I got veggie sticks because obviously some English muffins. I also got seaweed snacks. I used to love these, but these are the teriyaki ones, so I thought I would give them a try. Finally got some crushed red because I can't live without crushed red pepper. I love for every single thing ever to be spicy, and if it's not, I'm upset. Then I got some chicken bone broth because I love, 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 love a bone broth. Spicy hummus. And then here's my receipt. I swear she didn't charge us for everything. No, I think she did. I think it was just a good price. Then we got flowers for my vase. Nothing is better than like a cold LaCroix when you are thirsty. Nothing. And that concludes our Trader Joe's haul.
All kinds of merchandise.
Funny enough, people did comment on one of my TikToks where I was eating green beans, like I was doing girls that eat greens, and they were like, what's your recipe? I was like, my recipe is just olive oil, salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper. Try it out, girlies. Usually I use spray olive oil because spray olive oil is just a little bit easier to like coat everything. Anyway, vlog, I'm gonna show you how I make my green beans. I'm gonna take the salt, and we're gonna put a lot of salt here, and then we're gonna put so much crushed red pepper you wouldn't even believe it. And then we'll add a little bit of pepper. And I'm gonna toss it with my tongs.
They look so good.
I don't know if I mentioned this, but I don't have any plates or anything. I literally don't have plates or any of that stuff. We have utensils though, so we're gonna be eating out of these pots tonight.
If you were to take a picture of that, it looks like such a professional thing, and meanwhile, it's like.
I know, it's literally the easiest thing ever. I guarantee you guys, I could make a video on like hacked healthy meals, you know what I mean? Perfect. So we put the dumplings in with the green beans to see if it would cook it a little better, because we tried to make the dumplings in the microwave and like you can, they just kind of tasted like rubber. Trying to get a little bit of a pan fry in there. Pretty interesting for sure. Okay, I'm doing my skincare and I want to do a face mask, so I'm doing the Jen Marini Skinzyme, which is an enzyme mask, and I will link it down below. I think you can get it from multiple places, but I get it on Derm Store, and they have a lot of good stuff on there. I actually might have a referral code that gets you guys money off. I don't know why I think that. I'm pretty positive I do though. I think it might get you like $20 off, and they always have like 20% off of like pretty high-end skincare brands like Dermalogica, which is super nice. A lot of the time if you buy it from like Sephora and stuff, you don't find 20% off of Dermalogica too often. So yeah, and then also this tool that I'm using, the silicone thing, is from Amazon, so I can link that down below as well. I wonder how the Prime Day deals are gonna be. I hope there's some. I hope there's one on the Smeg toaster that I want, because that would be dope. Okay, so I let this stay on for 20 minutes. I forgot to film an outro last night, but that was my first day of my life in New York vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, that was my day. Sorry, it was like so uneventful and so, I just didn't do much. But I promise I'll do more fun stuff, okay? Okay. Love you guys.